Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to a truly special place, the Glass House, located near Brumadinho, Brazil. Buckle up, nature lovers and design enthusiasts, because this house is a unique blend of minimalism, functionality, and breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine living in a gated community surrounded by a massive natural reserve, Roldão Park. The Glass House offers just that. Nestled next to the Ângela Museum of Arts and a short distance from Belo Horizonte city, this house is perfectly positioned for those who crave a connection with nature and a touch of culture. But the connection to nature goes far beyond location. The owner, a minimalist with a passion for gardening and music, played a key role in the design. The house is meticulously positioned to save as many existing trees and plants as possible, creating a seamless blend between the built environment and the surrounding greenery. The floor plan is a testament to efficiency. Despite its compact size, the layout creates a feeling of spaciousness. This less is more approach perfectly complements the owner's minimalist lifestyle. The quick construction, achieved with a small team using prefabricated materials, further emphasizes the focus on efficiency. The name Glass House isn't just a metaphor. The house is constructed with a steel structure, aluminum window frames, and expansive glass walls. This allows for an unobstructed view of the surrounding landscape, essentially bringing the outdoors in. Imagine waking up to the beauty of nature every morning. It's almost like living in a treehouse. The use of materials further emphasizes the minimalist aesthetic. Fair-faced concrete finishes, polished concrete floors, and porcelain tiles in the bathrooms create a clean and modern look that complements the natural surroundings. The Glass House is more than just a house. It's a haven for relaxation and creativity. Whether you're an avid gardener, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates minimalist design, this house offers a unique and inspiring living experience. Would you love to live in a house like the glass house? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring architecture explorations around the world.